In this video, I'm going to share with you four Chinese shopping apps that you can use your bank card to make payment. Whether you have a MasterCard or Visa card, you can make payment on these four Chinese shopping apps without having an Alipay. Okay, but before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see the four Chinese shopping apps that you can use to purchase from China, whether from manufacturer, wholesaler or retailer, and pay with your MasterCard or Visa card. So let's get started. The number 41 here is called Taobao App. Taobao App is a Chinese e-commerce shopping platform that allows foreigners to make a purchase from manufacturer and wholesalers and make payment with MasterCard. Now, one very good thing about this Taobao is that Taobao allows you to connect direct with manufacturer. That is, you can buy product at a very cheap price from manufacturer in high quality. Another good thing about Taobao is that any product you purchase from this app, it is highly recognized and manufactured on a standard of globalization. This means that if you are a foreigner, maybe you are trying to buy a gadget, maybe you are buying phone or you want to buy TV or any electronics gadget, it is highly recommended that you make use of Taobao because gadget manufacture on Taobao is on basic globalization standard. Okay. Now, for you to make a purchase on Taobao and pay with your bank card, what you need to do is to just click on the product link. Let's, for instance, this clothes right here. So click on the product link. So when you click on the product link, it takes you to product sales page. You can scroll down and you can see at the point right here, you see MasterCard or Visa card. This simply means that this seller here accepts payment in terms of using your Master or Visa card as a means of payment. So what you need to do is that you just click on here, add the product to cart and click on checkout. Then you make payment with your MasterCard or your Visa card. So this is the fourth one I have for you as far as make a purchase from China direct from supplier using your bank card without Alipay. So let's take a look at the third app I have for you as far as this is concerned. The very third one I have for you guys as far as four Chinese shopping app that you can use to pay in MasterCard or Visa card is concerned is AliExpress. AliExpress, as the name implies, is an English name. It is basically for foreigners that allow them to purchase from sellers from China and import to whatever country of your choice. One very good thing about this AliExpress is that AliExpress accepts Visa card, MasterCard, PayPal, etc. Any means of payment that is available to you in your country, you are good to go. Another good thing about AliExpress is that immediately you sign up on AliExpress, it is a free account. Immediately you sign up on AliExpress, you will see products listed in your country currency. Just like what you see on the screen right here, you can see product price right here are listed in Naira. This is because I'm in Nigeria and we spend Naira. So this allows you to pay Chinese supplier right here with your country bank card, even in terms of your local currency, but the supplier is going to get in return USD when you make a purchase successful. But one thing about this AliExpress is that AliExpress is just like B2C e-commerce platform. It is not advisable if you are going into wholesale and purchase in terms of bulk purchase and resell. In terms of mini importation, stuff like that, AliExpress is not advisable to use to source for product when you are trying to do normal mini importation business, because most of the product right here is quite expensive when you compare to other Chinese e-commerce platform like 1688 and the likes. Okay, but if you want to make payment with your bank card and you want to import from China, it is highly recommended that you use AliExpress because they accept Visa card and MasterCard as a means of payment. So in my future tutorial, I will make more tutorial about this AliExpress and how you can make purchase, how you can negotiate with supplier direct as far as AliExpress is concerned. So let's take a look at the second one I have for you as far as four Chinese shopping apps that I can accept MasterCard or Visa card as a means of payment. All right, guys. So the second app I have for you as far as shopping from China with your MasterCard or Visa card is concerned is known as Alibaba.com. That's just the URL of the website, Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com is another great platform you can source from China, most especially if you are a foreigner and you want to make payment with your MasterCard, Visa card, or PayPal, American Express, etc. There are a lot of payment methods applicable on Alibaba.com. And one very good thing about Alibaba.com is that Alibaba allow you to have interaction with manufacturers, factory direct. That is, you can buy at wholesale price from this point or from this Alibaba.com. And then another good thing about Alibaba.com is that if you don't have a freight forwarder that can ship your product to whatever country of your choice, you can source for freight forwarder in Alibaba app, or you can use your Google Chrome to access the app. So, and when you are trying to source for product on Alibaba, it is advisable you source for product, you source for a verified supplier. For you to identify a verified supplier, you are going to see verified badge on their name right here and the number of years they have been operate. Like this seller here, they have been operate on Alibaba.com for the past 8 years and they have been verified. These are the things you need to take into consideration. Once you want to select a supplier, then you communicate with them, tell them what you need. You need more. If you need more information about the product, talk to the supplier direct through the Alibaba chat box. And once you have finalized deal with them, go ahead and make payments with your Visa card or MasterCard or even PayPal or American Express. So this is what I have for you as far as the second app that accepts MasterCard or Visa card on as a means of payment in China. So the very last one I have for you guys right here. So let's check it out. The very last one and the best among the 4 Chinese shopping apps that accept MasterCard as a means of payment is Pinduoduo app. But there are some challenges as far as Pinduoduo app is concerned. I'm going to explain in this video. If you are fortunately to have access to this Pinduoduo app, you can pay with your bank card. But one thing about this Pinduoduo app is that it's selected card. That is, not every Master and Visa card can work on this app. But if your country card, MasterCard or Visa card, it work, you are going to find it very interesting when you are purchasing on this app. This is because the products you purchase right here are very much cheaper compared to the rest of the Chinese shopping app. This is because this app here is basically meant for Chinese that cannot afford to buy things at a very expensive price. So the Chinese government create this app and make the product very cheaper to their citizens. And this is not limited to the citizen of Chinese alone. If you are not citizen in China, you can also have this app, make a purchase and pay with your Visa card or MasterCard as far as Pinduoduo app is concerned. And one very good thing about this app is that you don't pay for shipping fee. Whatever you are purchasing from this app, you are good to go. They are going to ship to you without charging you shipping fee. And one great thing about this app is that you can buy a single product. That is, there is no MOQ. There are a lot of things about Pinduoduo app. What you need to do is to check my channel and see some of the previous tutorial I have made about this particular Pinduoduo app. I hope you guys find value for this video. This is what I have for you as far as top 4 Chinese shopping app that you can use to purchase products from manufacturer, wholesalers at the likes from China and make payments with your Visa card or MasterCard is concerned. In the comment section down below, let me know the app you are using to make payments for your MasterCard. Let us learn from you. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Here's the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.